Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will discuss about how to find winning crop selling products for any kind of dropshipping. किसी भी तरह की विनिंग प्रोडक्ट सेलिंग के लिए इसके बारे में आपको बताएंगे. Find winning products in 2022. Number 1, TikTok ads inspired tools. How to find the best dropshipping products. लोडिंग हो रही है, खुल जाए तो मैं आपको दिखा देते हैं. हाउ टू फाइंड द परफेक्ट ड्रॉपशिपिंग प्रोडक्ट्स. Finding products to sell in your online store can be a difficult process, especially if you are new to e-commerce. After all, it's critical that you fill your store inventory with high quality merchandise which you can sell in affordable price point of your customers. Want to start dropshipping business? Start dropshipping today. How to find the perfect dropshipping products? Dropshipping business offers e-commerce entrepreneurs a lot of freedom, but there are some key points which you will need to take into consideration when you are sourcing products for your store inventory. Once you identify winning products that are perfect for dropshipping store, you will be ahead to your competition. You will be ready to start making sales. We believe in making life easier to entrepreneurs. Find trading products or perfect dropshipping business. Products we are currently trending. Great option for your dropshipping business inventory when you can't figure out what the best selling products are. Kickstarter.com, Wish.com, Google Trends. Finding a niche dropshipping products. 8 years way to find winning products every time. 8 ways to find winning products every time. What to sell, about to sell, what to sell. That's one of the biggest questions you will be asking yourself when building your online store. How to some stores end up making a 6-7 figures while others have a big fat zero. Try your 8 years ways to find winning products every time. Most online stores have best seller lists. This is obviously great. Customers want to see best products online store can be, but for online retailers, best seller lists are freaking a gold mine. And new entrepreneurs don't exploit them enough. Amazon bestsellers. Amazon bestsellers. Amazon devices. This is the all winning products for online dropshipping business. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.